front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Now tap on screen lock here. Pick one of those locking methods by clicking on a perfect one for you, pattern, pin or password. Wait 5 seconds and choose Got It in the pop-up. Now it's time to create your locking method. Repeat it to confirm it and hit confirm at the bottom right corner. If you want to add a fingerprint right away, hit add in the pop-up and follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do that, select cancel. So now, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!